Paul here on EMD Motorsport. This is the actual starter motor we stripped down to get it all fixed up because the actual the bolt came off the lever, as you can see there. See that bolt came off the lever, and nothing worked for this customer, so I had to strip it down like that one there, and then put it back together. I had to actually realign the brushes and all that stuff there, and then clean it all up as well, while the the actual starter motor was apart. So we're going to actually basically the car's in the air there, so we're going to put the starter motor up, trying our best to get it out. So it's all here. Okay, so we're going to exhaust back on already, everything's back on, so we're going to actually put everything back together now, and then we're going to actually try it. But actually we're going to put some Loctite. Make sure if you're doing this kind of job, put a Loctite. This is a different bolt. I use this is of a 986 bolt for the actual the door. I keep them all the time when I fix them, so I can use them as a starter motor for the actual 911SC. So that one there, put some Loctite in there as well, and then put a nut on. Very important if you're doing the starter motor rebuild, otherwise it's going to actually come off like this customer. The nut came off and the starter motor won't, the solenoid won't engage the actual lever to actually move the starter to the actual ring gear. Okay, that's what we're doing, so we're gonna fit it after this and double check it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.